Hi there! Welcome back to our channel. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to personalize your AAC system by editing a button. LAMP Words for Life is built to give AAC communicators access to a robust vocabulary. But here's the thing. Every communicator is unique. That's why being able to customize your vocabulary is such a game changer. A great place to start? Let's start with your name.
To begin, open the menu from the speech display bar. Select Edit Mode. Let's customize the My Name Is button. Choose the My button and then press and hold the Name button. This will bring up a menu. From this menu, select Edit Button. Here's what you'll see. Button label is what shows up on the button. Button message is what the device will say when the button is selected. For this tutorial, we're going to customize the button message. In the My Name Is field, type your name at the end of the message. To change the image on the button, you have a few options. You can use the camera to take a picture. Feeling camera shy? That's okay. You can find an image by choosing Find. Then type in the search bar and select Search. Scroll through the options until you find one that you like and select it. When you're done, select Save. Turn off Edit Mode and give your newly customized button a try.
My name is Alice.
And that's it! You've just edited your first button. Way to go! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, tutorials, and ideas to support your AAC journey. See you next time!